Asta here. Welcome to the first video for PayMeGPT. Today I'm going to show you on how to set up a webhook with Make and Google Sheets within your contact form so that when the contact form is complete, the data is then pushed through Make over to your Google Sheets. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, as you can see here, we're in PayMeGPT. We got 3 tabs open, which is PayMeGPT, Make, and Google Sheets. Google Sheets is super simple. I literally just created a new Google Sheet and just named it PayMeGPT test. Now, the first thing we want to do is click on sign in. Great, so now here we're at the dashboard. As you can see, we've got all the information right here. We can see I've got active agents, 12 of them. Let's manage directly, total revenue generated, unique contacts and messages, with a bunch of other information such as operating systems, cities, regions, etc. You name it. Now, the section that I want to focus on for this video is going to be in the tools section. And right here, we want to click on contact forms. Now, I already have a test one here, but we're going to create one straight up from scratch so that you get a full feel on what the setup process is like. So I'm going to click on create form, and I'm going to name this one YouTube video 0.3. Then for form field, I leave everything else. You can fully customize this with primary colors, submit button text, etc. Then for form fields, I'm literally just going to have name and email address. We're given a bunch of different options to choose from, which is absolutely amazing. These form fields are absolutely gangster. So from here, I'm just going to keep it simple for this one here, so you can get a first feel for it and just follow along. Name and email. Now from here, I'm going to click over the success message. Thank you for submission. And this is where we have webhook URL. And this is what we're going to get next from the make scenario. Perfect. So from here, all you're going to do to get this webhook, you're going to head on over first to make. Now we've already set up the Google Sheet, super easy. I've just created a new Google Sheet. Made sure everyone is on share, that it's on, I got mine on editor. So if I click on share, anyone with link editor, and I've got the fields such as date, name, and email. Now we'll head over to make. And I'm going to create a new scenario, brand new one, just like this. And the first one I'm going to go for is webhooks. So super scary. I know it sounds really scary. It's actually not that bad. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. We'll simply click on webhooks. And for this one, I'll create a custom webhook. Okay. Now, so give me this thing here. And then I can choose a webhook. I already have some set up. I'm actually going to add one so that you see how I can set this up. So I'm going to click on add. And I'm going to name this one PayMeGPT. And this one 0.3. There we go. And then just click save. Now it's going to do is checking here. We're going to simply copy address to clipboard and head back over to PayMeGPT. And where it says webhook URL, we're going to paste that in right here. And then create form. That's it. So we now created one. We have it fully Gucci. Let me just grab the link, manage links, copy, direct link, and I'll open up in this field here. Now, the next step is click save in make. And we want to run this once so that we have the fields filled out. So I'm going to click on run once. Okay. I'm going to go to the form that we just created. I'm just going to fill this out with Asta and this one right here. Submit. Okay, so we don't have anything yet in our Google Sheets, as you can see right here. Nothing's there. We haven't connected Google Sheets yet. So we just completed a form. We're going to head back over to make, and as you can see, the output is completely filled. So all we have to do now is click this little plus here and click on Google Sheets. And I've already got mine connect, so you simply connect up your Google Sheets, and then I'm going to click on add row. I believe Google Sheets setup in Make is literally just logging in with the email address that is linked to the Google Sheets accounts that you want to use. So I'm going to click on add a row. That's what we want. And then here I'm going to have, I've already added mine. Let's see if I can add a new one. See, yeah, it would literally just be sign in with Google. Okay, cool. So search method, search by path. Then drive, I'll just select my drive. Then the spreadsheet ID. I'll just click on this and I'll look for the one that I have, which is PayMeGPT, I believe. There we go. PayMeGPT test. So you'll just search up for the name. As you can see, it's called PayMeGPT test right here. So let's just do it one more time. PayMeGPT test. Select that. And then it's going to give me the sheet name to choose from. I only have sheet number 1, so we're going to go with that. Table contains header, yes. And then the values, so date, name, email. These are the ones that we have. So A, B, C. As you can see in Google Sheets, A, B, C. Yeah. Again, if you're confused about anything, feel free to just leave it down in the comments and I can clear it up for you. All we'll do is fill the fields out. So we'll click on it. And because we ran it the first time, we already know exactly what we want. So this is the date. So we look for where it says date, so timestamp right there. Then for name, we'll choose first name. And an email address, we'll choose this right here. And then that's it. You have all the other fields as well, but we don't need that right now. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click save. Done. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click save right here. Okay? The scenario was saved, and I'm going to click toggle this on right here immediately as data arrives. That's just how I want this. So maximum runs to start per minute. We can choose that. I'm just going to have this on immediately, leave this blank and click save. Amazing. So now all we have to do is test it. So I'm going to head on over back to Google Sheets, make sure it's completely empty, as you can see. I'm going to go back to PayMeGPT, copy the direct link of the form, contact form that we have set up. Then I'm going to open a new tab and paste it directly in. Great. So now let me give you my name and email address. Now let's hit submit. It's going to do its thing. And as you can see in Google Sheets, boom, just like that, it has populated. So you've got the date, the name, and the email address. And that is how you would set it up so that when someone enters in their details in the form, that you would push through using a webhook, using Make, straight over to your Google Sheets, so you have a full record of that you can then present to your clients or for yourself. Thank you so much for spending this time watching this video. I hope it was helpful. We're going to have a lot more videos coming out for PayMeGPT, and I definitely look forward to seeing your comments down below. And don't forget, we also have an official Discord community for PayMeGPT and an Instagram. I'll leave the links down below. Once more, thanks so much for your time. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.